Here's an activity to extend your students' knowledge with this choice board. Students can choose between one of these three activities: a character book bag, chapter titles, or a one-pager. Students will create a new page in Kami, and once the students create their new page, they can decide what they want the background to look like. Do they want it to be blank, lined, grid? And again, this can kind of represent the character as well. Why would the character maybe click a blank sheet compared to line to grid, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do blank. I'm going to add it right in. And then what the students are going to do is they're going to decide if they want to do the character book bag. They can find a book bag on Google, so they can use Add Media. They can add it from their computer, search for it, or they could use the drawing tool to design this character book bag and what it would look like. And what colors would this character have? What type of book bag would they have? Maybe certain pockets, right? And then they're going to explain and provide images with those same tools of what would be inside that book bag. What would the character put inside their book bag? If the student chooses character titles, they're going to write out all of the different titles out here. Then what they're going to do is they are going to use the text box and they're going to change the chapter titles. So they're going to have what's already there, but then change them. Then students will use the audio voice comment feature where they're going to record their voice and explain why they changed each of those different titles. It will also gain them extra points if they can find textual evidence in those chapters as to why they changed them. And then the one pager. This is where students will add images, quotes, anything that stuck out to them about that chapter or about that character or summary of what they just learned. So again, three great extension type of activities for your students to try.